Bean quesadilla. Prepare the ingredients. Chop the tomatoes into quarters. Dice the onions. Place the onions into a blender. Add the tomato. Add the cumin, salt and coriander. Blend to a liquid. Pour the liquid into a frying pan over a medium heat. Add the kidney beans. Stir and cook for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, slice the capsicum. Cut an avocado and remove the flesh. Mash in a bowl. Stir the bean mixture. Slice some salad greens. Chop some coriander. Slice the chilli. Mash the softened beans. Pour into a serving bowl. The ingredients are now ready to assemble the quesadilla. Place a wholemeal tortilla into a frying pan over a medium heat. Spoon over some bean mixture. Add some avocado. Add the red capsicum. Add some salad greens, coriander leaves and chilli. Place another wholemeal tortilla on top. Turn over and cook for 2 minutes. Place onto a chopping board, then cut into 8 pieces. And serve and enjoy.